This is PUIG new generation sport windshield. Made in Spain and come with a proper box and bubble wrap to protect it. You get a windshield and a sealed packet of user manuals and screws. First, locate the push nut at the top cover in front of the display. Use a screwdriver to push the button in. Then use your fingernail to pull out the nut. Push back the centerpiece in and set it aside. Push up the top cover to remove it. The hook location is at the top 2 and the bottom 1. Next, put your thumb on the top and your finger at the bottom to feel the button. Press and pull out. You need to put more effort here because it's very tight. Use a size 10 spanner to loosen all 3 nuts, then switch to your fingers to slowly open it to prevent the nuts from dropping inside the hole. Once done, simply pull out the display unit and set it aside. After that, put both brackets in front, then after that push it up, slightly adjust it so the holes are aligned, and then slot in the display unit. Put back the 3 nuts with your finger, followed by using the spanner to tighten it and put back the cable until you hear a click sound. This is how it looks like. Place back the top cover from the top and then push it down to lock. For the push nut, you need to push the centerpiece to the pre-lock position like this. Put into the cover hole and press the centerpiece until you hear a click sound. Put the rubber bushing first where it comes out on both sides, followed by the iron sleeve from the top and push it down until it's flat. Place it onto the bracket and start from the bottom where you need to adjust the iron with your fingers. Once done, go for the top part. The top part will be perfectly aligned so it's easier. Put the plastic cap to cover the screw hole and wipe off your touch prints and you are done. There's also a China-made polycarbonate replica of this. However, upon touching PUIG's version, although both is 3mm, I feel PUIG is more solid and it's more smooth because it's rounded. PUIG's material is metacrylate, which is high-impact thermoplastic polymer, which is a specially formulated acrylic that gives it that high-impact resistance. It is more scratch resistant, scratches are easier to polish, buffed out, it is more resistant to UV and aging, and it gives good clarity. China polycarbonate is said to be stronger, it is more flexible, it doesn't crack easily, but when I touch the PUIGs, I feel that from the quality itself, it's actually much better. First stop is Brew and Bloom Cafe. The signature prawn noodle is nice because there's sufficient prawn flavour. For the nasi lemak, the fried chicken is crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. The seafood sandwich is made of focaccia bread, which is ladies' favourite. The lighting here is good for photos. Here's a sample, but it can be a bit warm. Next stop is Broga/Boyfriend Coconut Shake at Broga, right after Semenyih. The coconut shake with ice cream and the longan jelly is nice. Stopping at the top of Jelebu for a quick photo shot. Next stop is Apakaba Coffee Roastery in Titi. You can see the Titi cane logo here because they use the furnitures made of rattan cane. They have a beautiful wall mural here of hobbit housing and sunflowers, and the sunset view here is amazing. Last stop is Dessert at Heiyi, located in Old Klang Road. Stepping to here is like stepping into another country. You feel like you're in a dessert shop in Hong Kong. They serve simple food as well as hot and cold desserts. They have a turtle herbal jelly that you can have fun with. Shake it and it will wiggle. Sweet, sour, cold dessert and pistachio shaved ice. You should try this. Nice. That's all. Have a great day.